Welcome, everybody, to another one. And today we are in BMX 2, I believe. And judging by the title, we got some crates, as you can see right down there. And yeah, so we're just going to be opening some crates today. I got 6 normal and one special crate today. Reverse bar spin and reverse tail whip in a jump. Reverse. Okay, I think it's that, right? And okay. Reverse. Well, yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. There we go. Okay. So, let's get right into it. Alright. So, 7 crate opening today. Alright. And if you didn't know, BMX crates, I mean, they just give you stuff to like customize your bike or yeah, stuff like that. That's it. Dang. Okay. That is very candy-like. Alright. Uh-oh. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Alright. Okay, on to the second normal crate. We're going to be opening this one at the end. Dang. Alright. I can't really see, but I'm pretty sure it has little flowers on it. Alright. That's cool. Okay. Another normal one. Oh. Okay, now another booty seat. Alright. Another one. Great. All white thing. Great. Alright. We've got 2 more left. See what this is. Alright, nice little handlebar. Cool. Okay, last normal BMX crate. Okay. It's interesting looking. Okay. Well, now the special crate, which is pretty interesting looking. And if you want to support my channel, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. And alright, well, let's see what we get. Special crate. What the heck? That is interesting looking. Holy smokes. Whoa, why is the seat? The seat's levitated. It's not attached. It's pretty I bet that's pretty uncomfortable, but alright. Okay, so that's all the crates. That went by fast, holy smokes. Alright, let's see what we got. So, for handlebar, we just got this one. Which is just, I'm pretty sure it's just a lot more wider. The front is, yes, the handlebars are white. Don't take it the wrong way. Frame! We got 2 frames. Alright. So we got this colorful one. It's very interesting. And this one. The bruiser. This is the bruiser. Interesting. Alright. Yeah, I like that one. I like that. Okay, wheels. We didn't get anything for wheels. Great. Oh yeah, seat, of course. We got the flower seat and this black striped one. I'm gonna keep the flower one. Alright. Well, special. This is very interesting looking bike. So I guess for the special, it gives you the entire set. It's pretty cool. Yeah, alright, that's it. So, well, I'm gonna use that. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that looks very interesting. Okay. Well, it was a little short video, but well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and great. Yeah. So, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button or something. And, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this little crate opening. I might do some more in the future. But yeah. So, well then, see you in the next one then.